Anyway, so I just emptied out my car. Starting this video kind of late into the process, but vacuumed it all out. It's kind of rusty, but it's cleaner than it was before in here. A bunch of stuff laying out. Now gonna try to put a little thing on the bottom of it to close off an exhaust to open a new one. We'll see how that goes. Nice rims, don't fit my car. So we got the big ass intake, hood exhaust. Gotta put this here so it doesn't leave the plastics away. Yeah, kind of just crammed it in there. Hopefully that works. We'll see. Go into the coupe. Still closes. Yeah.